Good morning to all. Dear students, I hope that you all are keeping fine. Today we are going to see new chapter 14, the adverb. So dear students, an adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. So here there are three adverbs. Number 1, adverbs tells us about verb or how action was done. Number 2, sometimes they tell us more about other adjectives. Number 3, they can also modify other adverbs. So it is called the adverb. For example, the car moved slowly. You looked absolutely handsome. He worked extremely hard. These are the things are called the adverb. So we can see the kinds of adverbs. There are so many kinds of adverbs. Come, let us see little bit briefly about the kinds of adverbs. Basically, most adverbs tells you how, where or when something is done. In other words, they describe the manner, place or time of an action. It is called adverb. Commonly, adverbs are formed from adjectives. For example, there are two examples, adjectives and adverbs. Kind, kindly, happy, happily, wonderful, wonderfully, loud, loudly, sad, sadly, beautiful, beautifully, sweet, sweetly. So these are the adjectives are called adverbs. Many adverbs end with ly. So how we have to use the ly? We can see here, for example, Sam was feeling very lonely. She was wearing a lovely dress. It was a very lively party. So here, lonely, lovely, lively is these three words are called the adverb. So like that, like this we have to use the ly. So here we can see the kinds of adverbs. So number 1, manner, place, time, frequency, purpose and reason. So number 1, manner, it describes in which manner an action is done. Number 2, it describes where an action is done. Number 3, time, it describes when an action is done. Frequency, it shows how many times an action is done. Reason, it describes the purpose or reason for the action. So, we can see next, quantity degree. It shows how much or in what degree or to what extent. Affirmation, negation, which says yes if it is yes, and no if it is in no. So it is called affirmation. Come, let us see little bit briefly about the kinds of adverbs. Number 1, adverbs of place. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question how, where. So it is called the adverb of place. For example, the boys are playing upstairs. The dog is in the garden. We're going to New York City on a school trip. It is very sunny but cold outside. Dear students, here upstairs, garden, New York City, outside, it's called the adverb of place. Adverbs of manner. Number 2. Some adverbs and adverb phrases describe the way people do things. For example, the girls answered all the questions correctly. He was driving carelessly. The plane landed safely. Ramo plays guitar skillfully. Here, correctly, carelessly, safely, skillfully, it is called the adverbs of manner. So it is telling about the particular person. Number 3, adverbs of frequency. What is frequency? Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question how often an action is done. how is our action is done. They are called adverbs of frequency. Frequency means continue. What we are doing, it is called frequency. For example, the children always go to school on the bus. I will never make that mistake again. I clean my bedroom every day. Dad polishes his shoes twice a week. Here, always, never, every day, twice a week. These words are called adverbs of frequency because it is doing every day. Whatever we are doing every day, it is called frequency words. Number 3, adverbs of time. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question when. They are called adverbs of time. For example, the train has already left. We moved into our new house last week. Our favorite TV program starts at 6 o'clock. I am going to my new school tomorrow. Here, already last week at 6 o'clock tomorrow. These words are called the adverb of time because it is mentioning about the time when. Next, we can see adverbs of time. We shall now begin to work. We called here a few minutes ago. I have spoken to him yesterday. He comes here daily. Mr. Gupta firmly lived here. So it is called adverbs of time. Next we can see adverbs of quantity or degree. It shows how much or in what degree or to what extent. For example, he was too careless. The sea is very stormy. I am rather busy. I am fully prepared. These mangoes are almost ripe. So here, too, stormy, rather, fully, almost is called adverbs of quantity of degree because it was mentioning about the quantity of the person or quality of the things or whatever may be. Adverbs of reason. What is the reason of adverb? The adverb which tells about a reason is called adverb of reason. The adverb which tells us about a reason is called adverb of reason. For example, he is hence unable to refute the charge. He therefore left school. So he is telling about the reason of the particular problems or whatever may be. So it is called the adverbs of reason. Next we can see adverb of affirmation and negation, which says yes if it is yes and no if it is no. So we have to say if it is true, true. False means false. We should not put together. For example, I don't know. I don't know. Number 2, surely you are mistaken. Surely you are mistaken. Number 3, he certainly went. It is called adverbs of affirmation. For example, she sings sweetly. He speaks quite clearly. She shouts loudly. She smiled cheerfully. The traffic was moving slowly. She writes neatly. We waited patiently to see the doctor. So these are the examples of adverbs. So we can see some more examples of about the adverbs of different kinds. So what are the kinds of adverbs we have seen here, that we are going to see once again the examples. Tortoise walks slowly. It is a slowly is a manner. We will have our semester exams on April first week. It is called time. First week is called time. The accident happened near the highway. It is the highway is a place. At least twice a week I used to go for temple. It is a frequency because we are going every day to temple, churches and mosques and everywhere. So whatever things we are doing frequency continually, it is called frequency. We all go for a picnic just for enjoyment. It is a purpose. Purpose means what? We are going for the purpose of enjoyment, the particular place. The sea is very stormy. It is the degree of quantity. So it is the degree of quantity of the stormy. Number 8, surely you are mistaken. Here, surely is the affirmation negation. So whatever we are telling, it's a surely, it is called affirmation. Adverb of interrogation. Words such as why, how, when, where, etc. when used to ask questions are called interrogative adverbs. For example, we all know that. Why are you late? How can you say that? So here, always asking the question of this sentence, it is called interrogation adverb. Interrogative adverb. Next, we can see relative adverbs. Words such as why, how, when, where, etc. when used to relative with a noun as an attendant are called relative adverbs. They are generally used to combine two simple sentences to make a complex sentence. For example, the reason why I am late is I got up late. The place where you are shifting is a safe one. So dear students, here the relative adverbs reason, place, because it is related to the particular place or reason. It is called relative adverbs. Next we can move on to that position of adverbs. The most common position for these adverbs is before the main verb in the what part. For example, I always watch the news. Here, watch is the position of adverbs because it is a frequency, continuous we are doing that. It is called position of adverbs. If there is an auxiliary, do, does, or a modal verb, can, could, etc., they come between the auxiliary or modal and the main verb. For example, they will never do that. She does not usually work on Fridays. He hardly ever goes out. He hardly ever goes out. Here, what are the words are underlined? It is called the position of adverbs because we are doing frequency. So, it is called frequency of adverbs. For expectation, verb to be as the main verb. There are two types. One is frequency adverbs and another one is other adverbs. Number 1, frequency adverbs. She is always here. The bus is rarely on time. They are often tired. Other adverbs. We were all happy. August was even hotter than July. I am already late. Here, where was am is a other adverbs. So these are the verbs are called position of adverbs. Yes, dear students, I hope that you all understood what is the adverb. Thank you. Have a nice day. We will meet next section.